KODAK PIXPRO FZ45-BK review. Ever wondered why this camera makes photography easy? Ever felt frustrated with smartphone cameras that just don't capture the moment right? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. The KODAK PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FZ45-BK is designed to simplify photography, offering a lightweight, easy-to-use digital camera with 4x optical zoom and a 16-megapixel sensor. Perfect for beginners, families, or anyone who wants clear, reliable shots without the fuss. Blurry group photos, awkward angles, and missed moments can make photography stressful. Imagine a camera that's ready whenever you are, easy to hold, and simple to navigate, letting you focus on capturing memories instead of settings. The PIXPRO FZ45-BK gives you physical zoom, scene modes, and intuitive controls so you can snap, zoom, and record effortlessly, without any tech headaches. The KODAK PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FZ45-BK is your go-to entry-level digital camera for everyday photography. With a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, 4x optical zoom, and a 27mm wide-angle lens, it captures detailed images from landscapes to family portraits. The 2.7-inch LCD screen lets you frame shots clearly, while digital image stabilization ensures your photos stay sharp. Scene modes like portrait, sport, and beach automatically adjust settings for the best shot. One parent said, "It was the perfect first camera for my daughter, easy for her hands and durable enough for travel." The camera also records 1080p HD video, making it ideal for family events or vacations. Bonus tip: use the optical zoom to get creative with composition. Your subject pops without stepping closer. Powered by AA batteries and compatible with SD or SDHC cards, it's ready wherever life takes you, from school plays to outdoor adventures. Its compact design, tactile buttons, and simple menus make photography enjoyable for all ages. Efficiency, simplicity, and reliability define the PIXPRO FZ45-BK experience. Experts note it's ideal for beginners, highlighting its straightforward interface and optical zoom advantage over smartphones. The FZ45 delivers a no-fuss photography experience with consistent quality for casual use. Influencers rave about portability and usability. "I gave this to my kids on vacation, and they captured wildlife and scenery effortlessly." Analysts point out its niche appeal. In a smartphone-dominated market, it caters to users seeking tactile controls and a distraction-free camera. Users love the real-world benefits. "I can finally photograph concerts, school events, and family outings without struggling with settings or battery anxiety." The AA batteries and simple menus are perfect. Scene modes, digital stabilization, and wide-angle shots expand creative possibilities while keeping everything easy to manage. Which feature would improve your photography? Optical zoom, wide-angle lens, or intuitive scene modes? Comment below. From capturing grandkids' milestones to weekend adventures, the PIXPRO FZ45-BK makes every moment frame-worthy, lightweight, and stress-free. Ready to make photography simple and enjoyable? Join families, beginners, and casual photographers upgrading to the KODAK PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FZ45-BK for clear 16-megapixel images, 4x optical zoom, and intuitive shooting. Don't wait. Secure yours today and capture life's moments effortlessly. Click now to unlock the secret to sharp photos, easy recording, and creative framing. Lightweight, durable, and beginner-friendly, this camera is your ideal companion for every adventure, event, or everyday memory.